Hi, I'm Jason with SmartEd, a distributor for Promethean interactive panels in Japan. Today we're going to look a little bit more at the Whiteboard app that comes with the Promethean boards. So I'm going to open up the Whiteboard app here from the unified menu. I'm going to move my toolbar to the other side by pushing the toolbar position button here. Now bring it over here. So another function that you can do is to have two students at the same time writing on the board, but they have their own control over their pen color and the pen and what they're writing. So here you can see we've split the screen into two. So I'm going to make this student write with red and this student write with green, and then you can see that they can both write on their side of the screen. The titanium interactive panels can recognize up to 20 simultaneous touch points at a time. So if you have even more students writing at the same time, they can do that. So here you can erase one side or you can erase the other side. But anyway, two students can write at the same time and have control over their own writing. And you can get rid of the function here by pushing here. The other thing that you can do is you can bring in images either from the web or something that you've brought on a USB stick. So if I go to the recent apps button here, I've already opened up Chrome. And I've been on the web and I've searched for a picture of Mount Fuji, and I found Wikipedia has, for example, a picture of Mount Fuji. So I'm going to bring that up on the board here. Then if I go back to my menu, let's put this down here. And if I go back to my menu and I push the capture button. Capture takes a screenshot of whatever is on your screen. So I'm going to close in here on Mount Fuji and just take a capture of that. And I'm going to hit done here. And then it says open in Whiteboard. So yes, I'm going to hit here. So now I've got Mount Fuji on my whiteboard. If I want to write on the picture, I can. I just choose the color that I want and the pen size that I want, and I can write on the board here. If I go back to my selector tool here, then of course I can move this around, and it's already grouped with the writing automatically. The other thing that you can do is you can use the tools. So if you click here, you'll see you have a number of tools such as a ruler and protractor. So I'm going to open up the protractor. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Then I'll take it over to the edge of Mount Fuji, for example. And then I can take my pen. My pen will stick to the edge of the protractor, and then I can raise it up and say, oh, that's the angle of Mount Fuji. I can close out my protractor here. You can also measure things with a ruler here. So if you want to draw straight lines, again, you can put your pen on the edge of the ruler, spin it around. So this is particularly convenient for math teachers and science teachers. The last thing that you can do is you can save your work. So if you go to the Save button here, you'll see that you can save your work as a whiteboard file, which means the next time you open up the file, you can continue writing or interacting with that file. You can save it on the internal storage. The titanium has 64 gigabytes of internal storage, so if you save it here, you'll be saving it on the device itself. Or you can save it onto your Google Drive or onto a flash drive or something else like that. The other option that you have for saving is to click at the top here. And here you can see that you have the option of saving this as a PDF screenshot. If you save this as a PDF screenshot, then you're not able to interact with it when you open it up again because it'll be a PDF file that is saved as a PDF file. But you do have that option to save it like that.